Let the hood say amen. Just let the hood say amen. Let the hood say amen. Just let the hood say amen. Everybody just agree that I'm a problem, amen. Just let the hood say amen. Let the hood say amen. Let the hood say amen. Everybody just agree that I'm a problem. Yo, the streets is a struggle, my nigga. But for the criminals, we learn to get money through code lines, subliminal. Packs tend to slow up at times, but them the breaks though. Learn how to hustle from Aunt D and ain't flow. I ain't going back to the pen, dog. I won't go. Now I'm getting money, my pocket seems is this low. And I'm about to take the world by storm. I'm Carolina, motherfucker. Yo, can't go wrong, but they don't wanna see you float. And the lack or Lex, dropping work in the jacks. Chick feeding me fish, and I'm waiting for you niggas to pop off. Cause then I'ma pop off, the sawed off or rip your top off. Don't ask me why I'm spitting this round for. You piss me off, the clips gon' toss, a magic a downfall. Don't reach your hand out to the bills, nigga. Saluting all the real ones, cause that's how the nephew feel, nigga. Play around, pussy, get your brain in your laps. Clean the burner, toss that and blow a blunt with pap. Wrist game like Jesse when I'm bringing it back. Blowing O's of that rude, I'm still twisting the backs. If you wanna know my name, bitch nigga just ask. Why you eyeballing me? Only chicks do that. I toss crack, count racks, tech rack, you flat. But at the end of the clip, we'll tell who'll win, amen. Just let the hood say amen. Let the hood say amen. Just let the hood say amen. Everybody just agree that I'm a problem, amen. Just let the hood say amen. Let the hood say amen. Let the hood say amen. Everybody just agree that I'm a problem, amen.